Nash. Nash.
Black Box enters wine competitions all across America. We go. We always bring home the same souvenir. Black Box wine. 50 golden, 40%
Fast. Nash, wake up. Nice.
Your summer vacation is very easy. That's why Booking.com has great offers, up to 40% off now through July 4th. Find great deals now at Booking.com. Booking.yeah.
Nash. Nash. Wake up, you smelly ass motherfucker. Wake up, you smelly ass motherfucker.
His family's restaurant biz before opening his own brand of crazy in 2011. A couple of my friends, we got together and we started up.
Should I came out?
Concept just came on, well, a bunch of junk together.
Shut up, bitch.
Food combinations they make here. Like catfish. From the Thai curry snapper to the mussels.
Fucking fat ass.
Pork and shrimp all put together. We got our gumbo here, and we're starting off with a pork butt. Rub it down, slap it up with some Jamaican jerky. I know a guy who's a guy in Jamaica that sends it to me.
Dude.
How long is this gonna go down? About 4 or 5 hours. Started at 350 and drop it down to look at that pork there. Beautiful.
Dude.
Put on the bowl.
Guys, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I started recording. I'm at 1. So, my mom's sleeping over there. Nash. 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 Dude. Can you... You awake? About time you woke up, kid.